Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili extract. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients, primarily fresh or dried chili peppers and a high-proof grain alcohol, like Everclear, which is often 95% alcohol by volume. Next, prepare your chilies by washing and drying them thoroughly, then chop them into smaller pieces. Finally, combine these prepared chilies with the alcohol in a clean, airtight glass jar. This initial step is crucial for a potent extract. Now for the infusion process. Once your chilies and alcohol are combined, store the sealed jar in a cool, dark place. This infusion period should last for at least 2 to 4 weeks, but some prefer even longer for maximum potency. Remember to gently shake the jar once each day. This simple action helps ensure that the capsaicin, the compound responsible for the chili's heat, thoroughly dissolves into the alcohol, creating a powerful extract. After the infusion period, it's time to filter your extract. First, strain the liquid through a fine mesh sieve to separate the larger chili pieces. Then, for a clearer, purer extract, filter the liquid a second time using a coffee filter or several layers of cheesecloth. Be patient, as this step can take some time. Finally, gently press any remaining liquid from the solids to ensure you maximize your yield of this potent chili essence. Finally, let's talk about storing and using your homemade chili extract. Transfer the finished product into small, dark glass dropper bottles. These are ideal for precise dispensing and help protect the extract from light degradation. Store your bottles in a cool, dark place. Properly stored, your extract can maintain its potency for several years. Remember, this extract is extremely potent, so use it very sparingly in your culinary creations or when making hot sauces.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.